Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today I'm going to review this dumpling. This is called Plantspired Thai Basil Vegetable Dumpling. Now I'm going to review this one, and this seems good, and it says 7 grams of plant protein. It comes with a little sauce. Let's see. So the sauce is in the back here. So let me open this and put it in a pan and cook it, and I'll show you how I cook it. So on the package, this is the package, and had about 12 dumplings, and in the back, this is the back of it, had a little pouch with some sauce. So I'm going to cook this dumpling. So I have my pan, and I just brushed some olive oil, not even put a 1 teaspoon, just brush some. And the package had about 11 or 12 dumplings, and this is a little pouch of sauce. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay the dumpling down in it and just cover it, and it'll cook in the water. So I'll separate that time too. So as you can see, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 11, 12, exactly 12. So I'm going to put it in a very low heat and cover it, and for 10 minutes about. So as you can see, my dumpling is cooked, and I'm going to serve it on a plate. So here is my dumpling cooked, and it took about 10 to 15 minutes to cook. And this is the review, honest unpaid review, Plantspired Thai Basil Vegetable Dumpling. And the reason I got it, because first of all it's vegetarian, second of all has no soya. So yeah, I give a go. It's good, and it's something like if you're outside and you want to get something, so you can get it. I don't think you can stick it in the microwave and eat it. It tastes better if you cook it on the oven a little bit, about 10 to 15 minutes in very low heat. And you really don't need to put oil on the pan, just spray some so it doesn't stick to it. Other than that, make sure you cover it. So thank you. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.